That's Owen, yr arwydd, a'r gic gornel, dynion mawr I fyny o'r cefn, Horan yn un ohonyn nhw! 10 munud o'r gêm wedi chwarae, George Horan a'i gôl gynta'r tymor hwn, bwled o beniad dim gobaith I lewis. Chris Hugh, chwipio'r gic gornel I fewn y peniad gan Ryan Evans. A dyna'r gosa mae'r Barri wedi dod yr hanner cyntaf yma, methu gwiro hi ar y targed. Dale Greithledu, at Chris Hugh. Hugh, wedi mynd heibio I Quay Edwards, mae hwn yn rediad penderfynol gan Hugh. Hugh mae'n dal I fynd, yr ergyd, taro'r postyn, Fahia! O, mi oedd hi'n haws sgorio dybiau I. A mi ddys chi disgwyl I drw Fahia, daro cefn y rwyd. Wel, rediad rhagorol gan y deintydd. Chris Hugh, taro'r postyn, Fahia. Wignall, allai gael ei greisiad I fewn. Mae'n disgyn I Mike Wild. Bill yn cael ei gwiro dros y trawst. Gavin Chesterfield ar y dden fanna. Rheolwr y Barri. O'n Southam ar gicrydd y peniad gan Luke Cooper. Danby yn disgyn yn ddiolchgar arni hi. Cicrydd I gyfeiriad y dynion mawr unwaith eto. Owen, ar gic gornel, Wild! O, arbediad rhagorol gan Lewis, a'r cliriad gan Paul Morgan. Mike Wild, bron a dyblu'r fantais peniad da, arbediad gwych.
You know, these are a good team, and they're a big, strong, organised team. And we got our noses in front, and then it was about keeping the clean sheet, but then making sure that we punish them. And with all due respect, we should be winning that 2 or 3 with the positions that we got in. And it's a fantastic save from Mike Wild's header, and just pleased all round because apart from one shot that John's had to save, and they've not really caused us many troubles, but really pleased.
To be fair to Connah, I know they work hard in their set pieces, and for us it's a mistake which has hurt us and ultimately cost us. But again, I think that the characteristics we've shown today will stand us in good stead for the long term. Loads of positives to take forward. We don't want to be a team that's happy to lose 1-0, but for me, I think that we've done very well for long periods. Probably haven't created a lot, if the truth be told, but that's something we can work on. And if we keep performing as we are, the results will certainly turn.
11 games, 23 points. That's European form. If you maintain that in the second half, it's going to put you in a really good position. But like I just said to the lads, we're not looking any further than that 30 points, which cements the top 6. Because the way the league's coming up behind and everybody's beating everybody, any team that can put a little run together, you've seen Bala have won 3 and now they're back in the picture, and Cardiff Met have been on a great run. So, it's very, very tight in that middle. So, there's going to be a few very, good teams that are going to be disappointed not making the top 6 this year.
Give Connah credit, they're a good side, a well-organised side, and we knew that today. And our season probably isn't going to be defined by these moments. It's more about us learning, getting better, getting stronger, and taking those chances. And when they come, we'll go on a run ourselves.